Alam mo ba na for the past few days, I have been dealing with what we call revenge. Na minsan may mga pagkakataon sa buhay na gusto mo na lang gumante, gusto mo na lang din manakit. Kasi may mga ebidensya ka naman, tsaka deserve mo din naman na parang, Lord, ito na, di ba? Pwede ko naman akong gumante. Pero syempre, hindi. Just because you can destroy someone, hindi ibig sabihin nun na yun na rin yung gusto ng Diyos na gawin mo. And as I am reading in 1 Samuel 24:12, ito yung sinabi ni David kay King Saul na may chance na siyang patayin eh. Andun na corner na niya sa cave na hindi yun yung dapat because he is the anointed king. He is the first king of Israel. Imagine that. Sabi niya, may the Lord judge between you and me, and may the Lord take vengeance on you for me, but my hand shall not be against you. There will be moment in your life na parang gusto mo na lang gumanti. May mga ebidensya ka pa. Kinumpile mo pa yung evidence. But the Lord doesn't want you to do it. And alam mo yung sabi ni King Saul kay David, "You are more righteous than I, for you have dealt well with me, while I have dealt maliciously with you. You have declared today that you have done good to me, that the Lord handed me over to you, and you did not kill me." Naakala mo may mga pagkakataon na binibigay ang Diyos sa'yo para magiganti, but not. The Lord wants to see your character. The Lord wants to see the fruit inside of you. Na are you going to trust God sa mga susunod na araw? And at the end of the day, that life was also given by God to him. Kaya minsan yung tunay na victory ay hindi yung nakaganti ka, pero hindi ka naging katulad nila. God sees, God knows, and God will give you the right time for your own crown. Hindi mo kailangang pilitin. So sometimes, the best way that we can do is just to walk away and trust God in His time. God bless you.